That 606 Pontiac sitting under a tarp out back, and didn't look like much with them tires all flat. Daddy said, son, there's something you ought to know. A little hard work can bring her back to life slow. So we spent our nights in that old tin shed, haggard on low, grease on our hands. I didn't know then what he was giving my soul, just a little more of him and a Gold GTO. Yeah, we fixed what was broken, took our time, talked about the world while the engine came alive. Some folks see a car, but man, I see more. I see all those nights on that cold concrete floor, and when those taillights finally hit that road, I didn't just get a ride I could call my own. I got lessons and love that still carry me home in that Gold GTO. Learn patience ain't something that you buy off the shelf, and sometimes you gotta fail before you do something well. He'd say, slow down, son, these days go fast. Don't save all you're living for when living's past. Graduation came, she was shined up right. He hugged me hard like he didn't want to let go that night. I turned that key, but deep down I know what he really handed me was him in that GTO. Yeah, we fixed what was broken, took our time, talk about the world while the engine came alive. Some folks see a car, but man, I see more. I see all those nights on that cold concrete floor, and when those taillights finally hit that road, I didn't just get a ride I could call my own. I got lessons and love that still carry me home in that Gold GTO. Now I'm older, and that car still shines, sitting in my shop like a memory parked in time. And when my boy asks, Daddy, can we make her go, I feel my father's voice in my heart saying, son, show him what I showed you long ago. Yeah, we'll fix what's broken, take our time, talk about life while the engine comes alive. And maybe he'll see more than an old car's glow. Maybe he'll feel the things only a father can show. And when he takes that wheel down some back road, he won't just have a ride he can call that Gold GTO.